Hey, what is up, guys? I hope you guys are having a wonderful Labor Day. I want to welcome you guys back to the channel. And today for this video, it's going to be a little different. It's going to be more like a vlog style video. I hope you guys enjoy watching this. I'm going to try to do something new with the channel. I'm still going to be doing countdown videos. But for now, I just did this, and hope you guys enjoy it. As always, don't forget to subscribe and go follow me on Instagram, guys. That's where I post updates. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and let's get on with this video, boys. Hey guys, what is up? Today I want to try something a little different. I want to try doing like a vlog style video. So a few months ago I went to Pick and Pull and I got some pretty cool parts. Oh man, this thing's acting up. I got some pretty cool parts for my girlfriend's car. She has a G35 and she just wanted to get like a air intake. And a popular mod that people do for the G35 is they get the intake tube from a 350Z and they slap it on the G35. And the reason why they do that is because the intake tube from the 350Z is more straight and it's not muffled compared to the one from the G35. The one from the G35, it's a lot more it has a big ass thing that goes in it that's muffled, and it really affects like the induction noise that it makes. So luckily enough, there was a 350Z that they had just put in, and I went there and I got the intake for her. And just for the hell of it, me and her, we went to another Pick and Pull, and we tried finding for K&N air filters, and luckily enough we found one and we got it. We bought everything. We went home, we cleaned up the K&N filter and re-oiled it. We installed the intake tube, and man, the induction noise that it made before and after, it was a huge difference. And today Pick and Pull is having like a sale going on today, so we're gonna go there, and then hopefully we'll find some good parts for her car. She has some ripped seats, so we're gonna try to find some seats for her, and hopefully everything goes as planned. And for those who don't know, Pick and Pull it's basically a wrecking yard where they take all the cars that don't run no more, and maybe they got into an accident, and they take them to this big yard, and people go there, they take parts off and they buy it at a fraction of a cost. And for people who are trying to upgrade their cars, Pick and Pull is a very good resource to have, just because let's say you're out drifting and then you hit a wall. Pick and Pull is a great resource because you can probably get that fender for maybe like $50, if not cheaper. So today they're having a sale. Like I said earlier, everything's going to be 50% off, so hopefully we'll get lucky. Alright guys, we just made it to Pick and Pull, and right now I'm trying to find the G35. It said it was in row 18, so that's where I'm headed, and I think I just found it. So this is one of them, and I'm gonna check out the seats, how they look like. So these ones are already ripped, so I think I'm gonna have to pass on this one. Alright guys, so I found another G35, and man, look at this thing, man. This thing took a beating. I wonder what happened to this one. If only this thing could talk. I wonder what would have happened. Man, this is crazy. But look guys, it's the seats inside. They're all black. They're looking pretty decent condition. There's like a little rip right here, but other than that, I mean, this thing looks pretty freaking nice. I'm gonna try to take these out, and hopefully everything will go as planned. So yeah guys, I'll get back to you guys once I take these seats out. So I got the seats out, so we're basically, I guess we're gonna go with the full black interior. So I got all the seats, I got the back seats out and the side panels. The only thing is that this car, I'm gonna come back for for the seats. The only downside to this is that since this car doesn't have juice, I can't move the seats up. So there's a bolt, I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's a bolt down here and it's a pain to get out. So I'm gonna go to Harbor Freight. I'm gonna try to buy a tool and come back, and hopefully by the time I come back, nobody has taken it yet. So I'm gonna go pay for that stuff, go to Harbor Freight, buy the tools, come back, and hopefully get the seats out. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. Alright guys, so after a lot of trial and error, I went to Harbor Freight. I bought the tools and stuff. So I bought this little tool here. It's actually very helpful, especially because in like hard to reach angles, this thing you could like move it up or down. So this helped me out a lot. Also, somewhere here, but I don't know if you guys can see from here, but there's a screw in here, and it was a pain. It was such a pain to get out. Like, I look online, I couldn't see anything, especially because this car is at a junkyard, so it has no power. So I had to like, oh man, I had to open this up right here, and then luckily I was able to fit this in here, which is a 10mm. So with this, if you turn it clockwise, it'll pull this seat forward, and if you do it counterclockwise, it'll push it back. So luckily I was able to do this, so I was able to scoot it out, and I took all 4 bolts out, and yeah, time to pull out the seat. So let's see here. Put it down here. Man, this thing's heavy. So yeah guys, I pulled out this seat and that seat. Oh man. And I think I'm gonna take the carpet. So after I finish taking the carpet, I'll get back to you guys, and yeah guys, see you guys later. Alright guys, so I basically undid everything on that side. Now I just need to move all this stuff to one side so I can take this out. And guys, a word of advice: if you guys ever come to a wrecking yard and there's glass, you guys should wear like some heavy duty gloves, because I cut myself numerous times and it's not fun. So wear gloves guys, it makes all the difference. There you go, I just cut myself right now, man. So don't be like me, wear gloves. Pull this out, and then yeah guys, don't be like me and cut yourselves. Let's see here, man, this thing's a pain to get out. There we go. So let's go through here. Oh man, wait, clockwise, I'm supposed to go counterclockwise. Yeah guys, I'm gonna get this out and then take the carpet out, and then I'm gonna go pay, then I'll show you what everything looks like. So yeah guys. Alright guys, I just made it back from the junkyard, and here's the stuff that we got. We got the carpet, the 2 bucket seats, the rear seats, the little center console, and the 2 back panels that go in the back, and they're all gonna go in that car. In total, I spent around $111, which is really cheap, especially since they were having that sale. I believe the 2 seats were $15 each. The carpet was, I think it was like, hold on, I have the receipt right here. The carpet was $8. These 2 were 10 a piece, and those 2 were 10 a piece, and this one was like $13. So in total it was like around $111. So for now I'm going to clean this up, and then I'm going to put it in that car, but that's going to be for another video. So this is going to be it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching this video. I really appreciate you guys staying till the end. Stay tuned for part 2. I'll have it up in just a few more days. And yeah guys, thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.